In this quick video, I'll show you how you can add a domain to your Shopify store. This will be a very quick tutorial. So if you already have a store, then just log into your store, and if you don't have any store, just scroll down to this video and click the first link to get a free trial for 3 days and $1 per month for the next 3 months. And if you want to set up your store with us, just click the next link. We'll give you a free store setup. After signing up to Shopify, just log into your Shopify dashboard, and then you can see the setting option on the bottom of the dashboard. Click here. Now click on the domains. Here you can buy a new domain or add an existing domain. So I already have a domain. Click here, and here put your domain name. Click next. So my domain is from Namecheap, and we need to put these records to our domain DNS. Whatever your domain register is, you can simply go to your domain register and click on the DNS or advanced DNS option. Then you will see some records, and we will need the A record. Just copy this A record and change the A record. And if you don't see any A record, just add a record. Click add a record and click a record and put the IP address here, put the host @ and add it. Next we need to add the CNAME record. Just copy the value, go back to the DNS manager, add a new record, click on the CNAME record, put the host www, put the value on the target and save it. So we have added the records. Now go back to the Shopify store again, click on the verify. It will take few minutes to propagate the records. So now you can see that domain is now connected, and this is the domain. Now you can access your shop from this new domain. So this is how you can add a domain to your Shopify store. Now if you want to create a business email with your domain name like info@yourstore.com, info@domain.com, then click on the left video. Consider subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.